Welcome back to our new recurring series, How to Draw for Beginners. This week, how to draw eyes.
Okay, well then you start.
First thing you're going to do is draw the bottom line. And then we usually draw a little bit thicker than just one line, one pass. It'll
Okay.
be like two thicknesses.
Okay. And it also looks like you're drawing kind of like lines on the end a little bit up too, right?
I'm drawing little lines on the end. That's correct.
Yeah.
And then this next top line is angled slightly, so it's a little bit longer to match up with the bottom line. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a little
Diglet?
U-shape, a little diglet. So it's a like an upside down U shape that gets cut off by the top eyelash bar thing.
Yeah.
Eyelid?
It's
the
the
eyelash.
tilted.
Okay.
It's the angled line on the top.
And then I draw a little pizza slice or triangle if you're basic.
Pizza slice is better.
I like to call mine cut pepperonis because pepperonis are circles.
Alright, cool. The next thing we're drawing is just one more little diglet. It's like the diglet from the side, right? Like isn't there like multiple diglets? So if you looked at it from the side, it'd be like a little one then a big one.
Maybe.
Yeah,
It's like a little.
It's like the Pokemon, you know.
It's the same as the outside shape, but it does get cut off by the triangle.
No, the pizza.
The pizza.
The pepperoni.
And the next thing we're doing is we're shading in the inner part of the
diglet.
inner
The inner
diglet.
diglet.
The soul of the diglet.
Yeah, we're shading it in.
And then the
Push
next thing we're doing is we're
part.
shading the outside layer outside
It's like
in
less
a little bit lighter than the
inside,
inside.
the soul of the diglet.
It's got a dark soul.
Evil diglet.
It looks pretty on the outside, but the inside is evil. Okay, first you draw like a little bump, kind of, the eyelash, the top eyelash. And then you draw a little one on the bottom of it, and then...
And the one on the bottom's rounded too, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, they're rounded opposite ways.
And then you
Oh,
draw
what?
the little diglet, I guess, but it's not touching the top. I'm adding eyelashes, but you don't have to if you don't want to. If you want to be a girl or a boy.
Sorry, I'm a boy and I have eyelashes.
Yeah, like her.
Okay, well,
I feel
in shows, you know how they always do that? Okay.
literally, there's
And
like
then
a new show
you draw
and
like
they have
a little
actual
U in the
boy.
middle towards the bottom, and draw like two lines, like
They're
connecting
centered inside the
it,
diglet.
kind of. And then you draw the bubbles. You shade it in. The bottom is dark. The bottom is dark, and then it's like a gradient. It goes light to dark. The top is dark,
I'm gonna draw Broxide from Pokemon, and basically you just draw like two thick-ish rectangles, but not too thick. And then on the top you kind of just draw like a shadow on top of them, kind of. It's kind of like an upside-down U. And then you just put some kind of angled rectangles that get kind of bigger. Kind of like a triangle, but the end is cut off. No. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notifications, Zoe.
Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And turn on notifications.
So you never miss an episode.
I'm teaching you how to do it.
Yeah, I feel like we should redo the like and subscribe thing.
I can't believe you ate candy while we were doing a voiceover.